The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra versus iPhone 14 Pro Max face-off is here, and it's easily one of the most epic smartphone battles yet. The iPhone 14 Pro Max boasts an improved camera system, featuring a new 48-megapixel main shooter that can capture both 12-megapixel and 48-megapixel RAW formats, offering users the option to choose between brightness and detail. The front-facing camera remains the same autofocusing 12-megapixel sensor found in the other iPhone 14 models, and the ultra-wide lens has been doubled in size. The Galaxy S23 Ultra boasts a massive 200-megapixel main camera, which can shoot in 12-megapixel by combining 16 pixels, 50-megapixel, or in its full 200-megapixel mode. It offers impressive reframing and cropping options. Its 12-megapixel ultra-wide and dual 10-megapixel telephoto lenses remain the same as the S22 Ultra, and its 3x and 10x telephoto zoom lenses surpass the 3x optical zoom on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now, without wasting any more time, let's start the camera comparison. In this portrait comparison, the Galaxy S23 Ultra delivers crisp detail in blue jacket and hair. The bokeh effect is a bit too extreme though. By comparison, the iPhone 14 Pro's selfie is good but looks too warm. In this shot of the Bryant Park fountain, I prefer the brighter image from the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which does a better job of exposing the underside of the fountain. The iPhone 14 Pro Max delivers better detail in the brick building, but I'd rather share the Galaxy pic. Here's a case where the S23 Ultra's saturated colors don't quite work. In this close-up of an M&M cookie, Samsung's photo looks unrealistic. The colors are more true to life in the iPhone 14 Pro Max shot, especially the cookie and icing. However, you can turn off Scene Optimizer on the S23 Ultra for more natural-looking results. In this photo of a fish market at night, the iPhone 14 Pro Max's image is brighter overall, from the walkway and parking lot to the car to the right. However, the S23 Ultra's image does a better job with a neon sign, as it's closer to red than orange. In this ultra-wide photo, the Galaxy S23 Ultra wins at first glance because of the more vibrant colors in the TAS and sky, but the iPhone shot delivers more gradation in the clouds and more detailed ripples in the water. Turning to some fruit, I think the Galaxy S23 Ultra's shot is too bright here, especially in the apples, though the pears in the background look a bit better. The iPhone 14 Pro Max has a more even exposure overall. Both photos of a colorful bouquet of flowers here look inviting, but upon closer inspection, I like how the S23 Ultra pulls out more detail in the petals on the left-hand side, and the center of the sunflower is a bit brighter. In this selfie, I give the edge to the iPhone because the S23 Ultra underexposes the shot a bit and face gets a little lost. You can also see more detail in shirt and jacket in the iPhone 14 Pro Max shot. And here's something the iPhone 14 Pro Max can't do at all. The 100x zoom let me take this pretty amazing photo of the moon, while the iPhone couldn't even get me close. The 30x zoom shot is pretty great too. A Galaxy S23 Ultra versus iPhone 14 Pro Max photo face-off is as close as can be, but in the end, Samsung's superior zoom and the flexibility of its 200-megapixel sensor carry the day. According to me, Galaxy S23 Ultra is winner. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And yeah, as always, I will see you in the next video. Peace out.